Friends, in this video I am discussing about hydraulic model analysis. Okay, here the first part is objectives of model studies. Okay, the model investigation are usually established to provide the depth visual demonstration of the new phenomena under the following conditions. Okay, first one is theoretical or analytical treatment of a problem is almost impossible. Okay, for example, the river training works and marine design or analysis of three-dimensional boundary layers. Okay, and the second one is the mathematical analysis is possible but tedious, and model observations offer swift and economy solutions. Okay, so and the third one is from the points of safety and economy, the structure is so important that it is desirable to vary physically by established theoretical solutions. Example, spillway gates, aircraft designs, and turbo machines, etc. Okay, here the model to prototype similarity conditions. Okay, here the principle of okay the principle of a model design is to prepare the model which form its behavior that can be produced trust worthy. Okay, so consistent and accurate prediction of prototype performance. Complete similitude demands that the system in a question, that is the model and the prototype, be geometrically, kinematically, and dynamically similar. Okay, so next we move on to geometrical similarity. Okay, so it is a similarity of a form or a shape. Okay, so two systems that the, the model and the prototype are said to be geometrically similar if the ratios of all corresponding linear dimensions of the system are equal or homogeneous at all the points. Okay, it's called as geometric similarity. So for a geometric similarity, so it is given by Lm by Lp, which is equals to Bm by Bp, which is equals to Dm by dp. Okay, here L, B and D are the length, width and depth, okay, respectively. So next we move on to kinematic similarity. So it's a similarity of motion. Two systems are considered to be kinematically similar if they are geometrically similar and the ratios of the components of velocity at all the homogeneous points are equal. Okay, so it is given by v1m by v1p, which is equals to v2m by v2p, which is equals to v3m by v3p. Okay, so here v1m, v2m and v3m are the resultant velocities at the points 1 2 3 in the model, and v1p, v2p, v3p are the resultant velocities at the corresponding points in the prototype. Okay, so next we move on to dynamic similarity. Okay, so dynamic similarity is said to be exist between the model and prototype if they are geometrically and kinematically similar, and the ratios of the corresponding forces acting in a corresponding points are equal. Okay, so it's given by F1m divided by F1p, which is equals to F2m divided by F2p, which is equals to F3m divided by F3p, right? So where F1m, F2m, F3m represent the forces at the various points of the model, and F1p, F2p, F3p are the forces at the corresponding points in a prototype. Okay, so it is in generally FEM divided by FEP. Okay, so this is about the hydraulic model analysis objectives and model to prototype similarity conditions. Okay, thank you.